Yeah, and we're out as well as I had. Let's see.
Where are you hiding, buddy? You okay? Here I left the turkey and I grabbed like the big chunks of turkey to make it easier on him, and I should have grabbed the pieces and already got part. I went the
Everett, do
wrong
you
way.
want my turkeys were shredded?
I went the wrong way. I just figured he wouldn't make a mess that way. I thought he was gonna walk around with it.
It's like it's hit or miss whether it's bottom.
Is the front teeth?
He's got two issues. One's like one, he has to get tooth pulled and like an expander put in or something.
Uh-huh.
Oh, there goes.
It was pouring when I let you guys know. I don't know how you
Oh
guys
yeah,
did
it was raining. It wasn't that bad.
Maybe if you want a little bit, we'll just hold. Do you need like the pain or is it? It's sensitive right now.
Everett, would it help if I put it in the microwave? Would it help if I put it in the microwave? No, I know.
They're the same color.
Yeah. And then I
I
think
have
it's
to
like
have a
half
tree
the
goldfish. I mean, you just have
Like,
to have a
right?
tree.
Yeah. There's a stocking too.
Because they're different.
It's crunchy.
There's a
Oh.
stocking.
Nice and crunchy. Oh, they have a Christmas tree.
I don't even care for regular goldfish, but they're different, so you have to try it.
There you go.
This is the color.
Is that the kids' charcuterie board, or we get the the good one?
Need little pops of color. Very.
Yeah, where's the color goldfish?
That's actually not on your heart.
You didn't? What were you thinking? Nah,
No,
nah.
just go with it.
Yeah.
Like anything else could add flavor to it. Like I feel like I could put M&Ms on it.
Yeah. No, so the
maybe
chocolate
the-
crackers are weird, but if you put M&Ms, that'd be like a trail mix type thing. You got pretzels, you can add a little bit of pretzels in it too.
Sometimes the cold can hurt your teeth too. And Nancy was saying, watch it. It's not cold.
Yeah, because the bread's not warmed up, so it's just the turkey. Yeah, you could do pretzels and just make it like a make it dry it turkey smoothie, and that would give it a color. No, but I can. You don't need those.
Hey, 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 hey.
Keep it as a dry food. Keep this dry. You don't need those. I need those.
Hey,
No, we need to put them out here.
we need to put that in there to design that plate.
Yes. Izzy. Well, wait a few minutes.
Don't cover the thing. Maybe in the back.
See, that's enough color. You don't need to add this. It doesn't even want to open.
It's not meant to be.
I know where the seasons are at.
Wait, Izzy.
It's more of that they cover the fishes. And then the candy.
There we go. There's plenty of pretzels that anyone actually wants to eat some. Alright.
Hey, I thought you put that in there.
No.
We found Stacy's weakness. Peanut butter M&Ms.
The
They're the
color.
vegetables. They're like the only one. Peanuts are okay.
What do you think, Linda?
Nice. Now you look Christmas. Now you look so Christmassy.
There we go.
Now it's like a trail mix.